pineapple smoothie. We need ice cubes, pineapple, and orange. Squeeze the orange. We're squeezing the orange. Me.
And Brianna's turn. Okay, squeezing.
Let me help.
Okay.
We have now juice.
Okay.
Fresh orange juice. Pineapple. Gonna put the pineapple in here.
And what is that called?
Apple drink cup. Put the pineapple in the blending cup.
Okay, Brianna's turn. Take turns.
2 times.
Okay.
Let me take a sip. And I put the orange. Guys, we're gonna put fresh orange juice. Add ice cubes. They're cold.
All right.
Ice cubes are cold.
Yeah.
And fill it up with pineapples. More pineapples. You don't need sugar because the fruits are already sugary. We will cover the cup, but be careful with the blades. Now it's covered, it's ready to go. This is the nutty bullet. Nutty bullet.
Okay. Press it down and turn to the right. Okay, mommy help you.
Help me.
Okay, ready? Okay.
It stops by itself!
Yay!
Now I'm gonna pour this pineapple smoothie in here.
Okay. Okay. Yum.
There's no more.
All right.
For decoration.
Okay. Say yay!
Yay, it's time to taste.
Okay, now it's
It's for the taste test.
was it?
It's good.
Brianna, how is it?
Try. Watching. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. 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 Bye.